Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Ragnarok the new world game for free with the Steam launcher, because this game is completely free to download. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Ragnarok the new world and then click on Ragnarok the new world game. Scroll down and here you will see play Ragnarok the new world free to play. So click on play game button and here you can see Ragnarok the new world. File size is 223.58 MB. So click on install, then go to library and here you can see that Ragnarok the new world game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download or install Ragnarok the new world game for free via the Steam launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.